All right, we are at yet another new beach in Portugal, more specifically Porto region and part of the Matosinhos municipality, I believe so. We can see also a large factory close by, but hopefully they are not polluting the ocean from the factory. I hope so not. This is a quite scenic beach. The first one that has a majority of rocks on the coast, and it's called Praia de Paraíso. So in translation would be Paradise Beach. Quite nice beach though, but I don't like the view of the factory in the background. So yes, it is 4 p.m. and I'm exploring the 11th beach of the day, this one. So quite an adventure. So far I have had 25,000 steps, and I'm gonna do double as that later, but I'm gonna be taking local transport also as well. I'm not gonna make a new record today. If I was walking all the way, I would have made it, but I wouldn't have been able to make so many beach adventures, as I started already from the airport directly. I haven't even checked in the hotel. That I'm gonna do at night, when I can't film actually. So yeah, this is how the beach looks like. It's right next to the beach promenade that is stretching here, and we can see also one plane that is taking off, as the airport is close by here. So we're gonna see how the tide is here, as I have had problems earlier today with the waves, but hopefully, as there are some rock formations over here, it would have been fine to take a dip here safely. I can see also one fisherman there. There were quite a few fishermen. So I guess the ocean here is giving a lots of treats to those who hunt it. Here it is shallow, and the waves are not that strong yet. Let's see. This would be perfect to take a dip here. And I see many seashells there on the rock formations. Yeah, this is Praia de Paraíso. And the waves here are not that high as earlier. Let's see, we can go a bit more. Okay, I think this is enough in order to take a quick swim. There might be some rocks. I see one rock over there. Woo! All right, here we go. It was nice and refreshing, and good that there are no big waves here. Amazing. I'm so happy right now. This is marvelous. I wanted to skip this beach actually, as there are a few more on the way, as it didn't look that much nice, but it's actually quite good. Quite good. Especially since I was only visiting beaches with strong tides before. Alright, we're gonna wrap up here, as I'm gonna continue to explore along the coast. So thanks a lot for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure of my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!